Chillin' 4 hours, smoking weed, watching World Star events in the garage. Probably got a drive a girl call. You ain't a rapper if my homies never heard y'all. I spit a punchline, smile, and they bird call. Hit your sister in the face with a nerve ball. Dealing with some shit that really don't concern y'all. Punch a fan if you get a fucking word wrong, baby. Giving you some shit that you can serve on. Trying to be a bitch like a swerve on. Frank Thomas told me about to put the hurt on her. You bitch a night light and bad, she turned on. I wrote some weed, tell her. Give a fuck about success. Now I just wanna see me look on undressed. Option out for butt sex, you will be a confess. Yeah, sorry that's some shit I had to confess. Crazy ass bitch doing now 1-1 Came in the game smoking Newport hundreds. Now I'm in the top in the crown fit. Gold on my outfit. Surrounded by the pussy ever trying to pet. You got that wet pack, bitch. Come and give me that. You know we wanna know where them titties at. Got a gas, they be asking what I'm cooking with. Have your little brother rush you off when the pussy is. Corruption, still ain't at the function. Girl pussy smell like sour cream and onion. Pay attention, you gon' learn some. Roll that weed up, and then we Okay, in West Philadelphia, born and raised. On the playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cooling out, shooting some b-ball outside of the with a couple of guys. They were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, my mom got scared. She said, I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate, the person in the dice in the mirror. If anything, I would say this cab's weird.